If you've got one of those cars with those big, long two doors, let's say it's a Firebird or a Cordoba or any of those big two-door cars, you're used to having to grab the door and lift it up to get it to close right. Why? Because the hinges get worn out. Not the hinge necessarily itself, it's the bushings in the hinge. But in order to replace that on a lot of cars, there's these springs. These springs, a lot of guys will try to use screwdrivers and vice grips and all kinds of means to get these off, and none of those are safe. So the right way to do it is to use a spring compressor. This spring compressor is made by Steck Manufacturing 21900. I know, you don't need to know that, but everybody always asks. And they're relatively inexpensive, available at a lot of hardware stores or even auto parts stores. You simply slide that on. You could do this in the car on a lot of cars. In this case, we're going to do it out here where you can actually see what we're doing. And it's just a matter of putting that spring compressor on. And you want to get it good and tight. And once you get it on there good and tight, you can usually pull the spring right out. Now you can safely pull the pin, replace the bushings, and rebuild the rest of this hinge. And when it comes time to put the hinge back on, it's just as simple.